Hello, what's up, guys? Back again with me in It's Me channel. Okay, today I'm going to review the Alpinestars Supertech R boots. This is not street boots. Instead, this is a replica boots. So these are the one that the Crutchlow worn right when he still be a GP racer. So not much I can tell. He is a racer, yeah. And this is not a crash boot, guys. These are the boots that I got directly from him. As I can say, these are his spare that he doesn't use it. So Alpinestars always gave to the racers like for a race like 3 or 4 pairs. So that's just in case, some racers they are having crashes while, like the FP1, FP2, and all the things just like before Sunday race. So not much I can tell. Again, these are not replica boots. These are original MotoGP racer boots. So you're not gonna getting these at any other store in or at anywhere in the world, unless you will get it from car itself, just like me. Okay, not much I can say about the futures because you guys can see by yourself clearly here. It has vivid color: yellow, fluo, red, black, white. So very shiny boots, I think. And then these boots, the thing that I love from these, which are the vented or perforated, a lot of holes here, as you see, along everywhere. Holes. Those holes will give the racer for air to go in, go out, so the racer will feel comfort. They are not feel hurry while they're in race, especially when they race in the tropical weather, like in the Zeres or when summertime. And these boots has some cool feature that you won't see at any other store. So let's have a look, guys. And one thing for sure I forgot to tell you, this is signet boots, sign boots. So this is Carl Crutchlow signed by himself, and then this is his racing numbers. And as you see, if you take closer, this is not just a normally letters that Alpinestars painted black and white, yellow fluo. I know my camera is not that good, but hope you can see like the black area here. You see here has like small, how to say, it doesn't smooth like a letter, then you put a paint. So I would say this is a printing that Alpinestars put it on the letters, because as you see, even though if I touch it, it doesn't smooth. And you can see like small, like perforated, but it's not perforated. The surface is not smooth and flat, so more or less like this. So you can see my my finger pointing it, okay, on the black color, okay, as you can see. So all the same, because very hard to catch the material when the material has a bright color like the yellow fluo here. And the all I can show you guys like before is the black one. The white, I don't know you can see it or not, but it's quite hard. And sliders, yeah, these already like Alpinestars made it from stuff on the front here along until the side. Unlike if you buying like normally regular Alpinestars boots, they will come like, let me show you. Okay guys, this is the 2021-2022 Alpinestars boots. This is used boots that I wore. Yeah, kind of scratches. So this is normally like you can see at, or you can getting it at the Alpinestars store or any motorcycle gear store. And as you see here, it's just along the side but not in the front. So again, if we compare it, okay, right side is the Carl boots, left side is the street boots Alpinestars. Okay, or the top one, I just make it like this, top and bottom. As you can see, that's the difference. Okay, all right. So these Mottogp sliders, these the street sliders. So this is very easy to be well done or fast finish, but the Mottogp one, they look like very thin as you see here, but these will not, and doesn't easy to get, you know, when they hit the asphalt like this, they will not gonna be fast done. And once this done, they usually go to the Alpinestars, because anywhere at the track there's always a Alpinestars stand, and they will have like one spot or one area, a container like that, like with the big Alpinestars logo. They can repair suits, they can repair boots. So saying like shoes that are ripped or whatever, broken, whatever, they can fix it, so the racer can use it again on the next day. So even though again, each racer they will have 4 set of boots usually, and same thing with the gloves and suits. So any crashes, whatever, Alpinestars will try to fix it. And even Dainese, same thing, they will change this. Okay, these boots has shiny here, again perforated here along on the top, and already with the new design. These came out before the street version, and this is plastic. Okay, and this is same thing like before.